Hello, kids. Good morning. Hope you all are enjoying at your home. Today is a GK class. We are going to learn about birds. आज हम पक्षी के बारे में पढ़ाई करेंगे. Are you ready? Okay. There are many types of birds like peacock, pigeon, hen, sparrow, owl, etc. Do you know that birds have head, two eyes, two wings, two legs and one beak? They can fly and they can walk also. So let's learn about them. We are going to identify the birds and their names also. Let's start. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Next one is sparrow. It loves to eat fruits, seeds, etc. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. Parrot loves to eat chili. Next one is crow. Crow says ka ka ka. We see it every day. Crow is black. This one is duck. Duck can fly and swim also. This is a hen. This is a hen. Hen gives us egg. Next one is owl. It cannot see in daytime. It can see at night. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. These are the name of words. इसको बार बार पढ़ो और याद रखो. थैंक यू.